I'm in and out of the van so much that I figured that it's really hard for me to video exactly what's going on. But so this is where I'm at. So this will be how the dinette is. Obviously we'll have the table and lagoon that will drop down, and then I'll make like a little piece, a little spacer piece that will just fit right there for when you want to sleep. So you put it right there and the table to make the whole big bed. But so what this cabinet will house, obviously the 2-gallon electric, it's Bosch water heater, the 20-gallon, I think I'm pretty sure it's 20-gallon Northwest Conversions fender well tank. So that's in there, and so we just have a little bit of storage on this side. But so that's how that side is, and now I'm gonna go with this side. So I'll make a support in the center. This, hoping that I can fit nothing but the electrical in here. All right, that's it for the day. It's 9:45. All right, so last night we left off where these were all made. Like I said, I've got 2 finished today. First thing, I need to sand this, drill out the hole, get it all ready, and then this will be ready, and I can start working on cabinets. Let's get going on this. This is where I call it for today. This cabinet here, right there, that one will house the fridge. And we'll have a drawer. We'll obviously still have to build a cabinet for right here. Welcome back.
Growing up with older people. What was his name? Yeah, and leaders have the ability to, in this game,
5, 10, 2,
Guess I'm gonna call it a day for here. Obviously, this is the first cabinet. There will be a door, obviously right here. This cabinet will house the tank, the gray tank. Obviously, it could be bigger. I mean, if one wanted to, they could have something custom fit, run a drain line all the way through there, like that. That's not what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna use that. So that's all that whole cabinet. That's how that cabinet will be. The sink will go like right in here. I'll have my switches, all that right here. That'll be one big door. Which toilet will be on? It'll be on slides. It'll come out, and that way you can use the bathroom at night if the bed is down. We did order foam today and the fabric for the cushions for up and lower. Other than that, that's a wrap for today. Stay steady.